In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing app that will pay you from $100 to $200 every single week. Yes. So I'm going to guide you step by step until we finish it. Don't skip any part of this video because you need it. Yes. So what is the name of this app? The name of this app is called Goodwall. Okay. And what are they doing in this app? That is the question that everybody wants to know. How do I earn up to $100 to $200 every week? I'm going to tell you everything about this app. This app is so amazing. A lot of people is cashing out on this app. So this app was I think established in 2024 and getting to Nigeria this year. So you need to grab this opportunity. Okay. Now, what they do in this app is learn and earn. If you learn, you get paid. This is how this app works. If you learn, you get paid. And they have a lot of challenges that you can do and win different prizes. Okay, there are some challenges that you can do. You win $100, $500 HP laptop. So everybody in this platform, you have something to win, you have something to achieve. You can post a video, your own content. You can post content and get rewarded. First, you post content and get paid. You post pictures and get paid. So this is how this app works. Okay, so Goodwall is a wonderful platform that anybody, you are a side hustler and you are looking for a way to make money online, this app is for you. Don't skip anywhere in this video and watch the amazing things about this app. Okay, and again, this app is very strict. Okay, they can restrict you at any time. So there is a link in my comments. This video you are watching now, there is a link there in my comments. So click that link. It will take you to Play Store where you install the app. Okay, for example, let me show you something. We'll come to Play Store. So this is a Play Store. Then you type Goodwall. You type Goodwall. As you can see, the app has popped out. Okay, then you click. I have already downloaded. That is the reason why you are seeing open. Okay, do not download it in this app. Use that my link and download it. So now I open it. So if you open it, it will bring you to this interface. Let me show you something. What you have to do, as you can see, this is Goodwall student. Okay, and ambassador referral programs. Let me walk you through the app and tell you how this app works. Okay, now as you can see, this is win $100 or HP laptop. Look at how will AI shape your future. Are you seeing it? Answer to win $100. Are you seeing it? Then you come to this place. Look at this one. Use AI to plan your day. You win $1. Just to use your AI and plan your day, you win $1. All these tasks are very simple to do. Okay, look at this one. What does clean energy mean to you? What does being clean, the environment that is clean, your house clean, how does it mean to you? Just answer the question and earn $5. Look at this one. Create a video, share your content to get rewarded. You are a content creator. Understand, you are looking for a way to make money. Look at it here. Create your video, your picture, you post everything you post here. As a content creator, you get rewarded. This one is not all about you have a 4,000 watch hour, you have 1,000 subscribers before you get monetized. No, this place is as you are posting, you are earning. So these are the amazing things about Goodwall. Okay, now look at this one. Learn, grow and earn. You plant crops. Okay, you video yourself where you are planting the crops. Just screenshot the video and post. So as you can see, this one, win $500 or HP laptop. Okay, what are you going to do in these tags? Level up your AI skill. You win $500 or HP laptop. Are you seeing it? So if you come down, look at them, a lot of them. So there is a lot of features here and their prices, a lot of opportunity that you can participate and win money. If you scroll down, look at this $5. So you have every chances to make money for yourself. Very simple tasks that you can do and make money for yourself. So yeah, if you scroll down, look at them. Many things that you can do and make money. Are you seeing it? So let me just walk you through. I will still come back and do one task to show you how you can do it and start making money for yourself. Okay, this plus you are seeing here, down here, if maybe you want to post your content, so you click that blocks. Okay, this is your profile. Then if you come to settings, you click these settings. So this is where you can, anything that maybe you are confused, anything you want to know about the app, look at it. If you come to this place, you can set anything you want. Look at edit your profile, account access, change password, delete account, reward, invite, Goodwall wallet, opportunities, general notifications, find your friends, blog profile, contact us, help, and all the rest. Okay, so these are your settings. Okay, so let's go back, and this share, so you can share your link from here to anybody, to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to email, anywhere. Look at Instagram, you can share your link from here. So then if you come to this place, I have already shown you about this one. Okay, invite somebody, anybody invites you, and $1. So this is how this works. So now we are going to do tasks so that I can show you how you can do it. So let's look for a simple task that will not take us too long to do. Okay, let's get into it. Let's look for a simple task that will not take a lot of time. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I drop my video every week. 3 times in a week I drop my video. I have a lot of updates I'm bringing for you, so you will not like to miss it. So go and subscribe to my channel, share it, comment anything you want to do, or any video you want me to do, just write it on my comment section. Okay, thank you. So now we are going to do this task. Okay, my first prompt is very easy. It can take up to a minute for you to do it. It's very easy. So we are going to click it. So if you click it, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, just watch mastering AI prompt and put it into action. See your first prompt and see what happens. So click this show more. If you click it, it will bring the full details for you. Okay, look at it. Open Microsoft Copilot. Okay, type your first prompt, any topic at all. You can type, share a post or screenshot of your chat, or screenshot of your chat on Goodwall with my hashtag, my first prompt. Are you seeing it? Then you come down your AI prompt badge, $1 for the first 2,500 qualify entries. Okay, so it's still ongoing on. So let's start prompts, learn and earn together. Are you seeing it? After we do this task now, we're going to earn $1. Okay, so what you have to do now is to minimize this. Okay, as you minimize it, you go to Chrome or Google. You click opens. Look at it here, Microsoft Copilot. So just click it. So I click again. So right now I'm going to type, give me 2 simple ways to solve people's problems. That's what we are going to type now. I click. Let's watch out. Here are 2 short and simple ways to solve people's problem. Okay, what we have to do right now is for us to screenshot this and go back to Goodwall. Okay, short. Good, we have screenshot it, so we are going back to Goodwall. So come back here, we are going to click this tech part. You click, you got it, so you click got it. Okay, so this is it here, so I will now click it. Okay, are you seeing it? Next thing we are going to do now is to put hashtag my first prompt. That's what we are going to type now. Let's place hashtag. So look at it here, the down one. So you click the down one. So the next thing now is for us to post it. We are done. Okay, you just click post. Immediately you click post, we are done with the task. As you can see, the Goodwall has sent message to us. Okay, now the thing is live. we have posted, you have submitted this assignment. Okay, so within 12 to 24 hours, if you come to your account, you see your money in your account. Okay, before you make any withdrawal, you must have at least $35 before you make any withdrawal you want to make. Okay, so this place is very important. Before you make any withdrawal, you must meet up to this criteria. It's very simple, something you can just do within a minute. Okay, say look at it here. Say your security is our priority to protect your transactions and ensure the safety of your Goodwall wallet. Okay, please complete the step below. Okay, that's meeting up that 35 USD before you withdraw. That is number one. Then confirm your email, verify your identity, upload your profile picture, confirm your date of birth, and all the rest. Just simple things that you can just do, and you withdraw your money. So thank you so much, and I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I drop my video 3 times a week so that anytime I drop new updates, you will get notified. I am bringing updates to you that will make you to make a lot of money this year, bumper to bumper. Okay, so please do and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much.